Yeah, you. If you want a chance to win this Roblox card for $40, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Do you think that this challenge is possible? We'll be responding to random comments, and look, if you're lucky enough, one of them will get this card. By the way, this part is a scam. Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bars, oats and honey, 106 grams of whole grain. This is the messiest thing you'll ever eat in your life. So we made a challenge. What's wrong?
It says 16, not 100.
I didn't say 100, I said 16. Nature Valley Crunchy, 106 grams of whole. 106 grams of whole. So, this challenge that we're inventing is called the Nature Valley Challenge. So basically, what you're supposed to do, you have to eat one of these using only the wrapper as a coaster. You have to eat one of these. You can't spill any crumbs. So you see these crumbs right here? You see this? I don't know if you can see it. You see that crumb? Gone. You can't spill any crumbs.
You'll both each share one coaster. Whoever has the most crumbs loses.
Yeah.
And faces the consequences of nothing.
Jumping on this bed.
Yeah, and the loser and the winner gets to watch.
Because I'm gonna be the loser. So, rules. You can only use the wrapper as a coaster. No cutting scenes, which means, like, if you spill something, you just clean it up and you just record again. Oh my god, I didn't spill any crumbs, I got this. No, you can't do that. You have to record this in one take. And what's the other rule? I guess that's it. Alright, let's do this. So I'm gonna open this up. So there's a specific way to open this if you want to win this challenge. So basically you have to grab this like corner part right here and then just turn it sideways. And then this happens, right? So then what you have to do is you have to make this as straight as possible. So just go in like a zigzag formation of opening it. And just open it at the bottom. Dun 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 dun.
Wow.
Ta-da! How to open your Nature Valley granola bar. Alright. So there it is. See all these crumbs right here? These are our enemies. You can't see it. All these don't count, guys. So then you see all these crumbs? Yeah, these are our enemies. We got this meat. Alright. So you have to take one. Which one are you going to take?
No, I'm gonna take.
I'll take this one. Okay. Oh. Whatever, that doesn't count. Alright, hold on. Let's just do something real fast.
No, I'm not even doing anything and the crumbs are already coming out.
Yeah, I know. This is the messiest thing in the world. And the wrapper's not opening. Please, wrapper. Please cooperate.
How do I
There you
eat
go.
this?
I always eat it without spilling any crumbs.
I always make a mess.
That's bad for me. So let's fuck this up. This is our only coaster. We cannot spill any crumbs. These crumbs, they don't count because we didn't even start. Alright, challenge starts now. Screw you! This challenge is impossible. That's one crumb for me. No crumbs that time.
Oh wow.
This is hard to do. Like, I did this at school before I made this video. And then my friends, they end up like, they end up going like this.
I always break it just for the crumbs to come out on purpose. ASMR time.
That is highly incorrect. By the way, guys, this is my room. This is my room. You know, it has a toaster sign.
I put a crumb down.
It has a picture that I drew myself. So we're both tied. We both have 1 point. Wait, 1 point. I mean 1 crumb. I'm stupid. Right. We look like retards doing this.
Yeah.
By the way, here's the Roblox card. Yeah, this is a scam, by the way. I already used all 40 of the dollars, so if you want the code, it's right here.
Yeah. He'll send it to you by the mail. It's a used Roblox card.
Yeah,
And
so
that's,
read that. And yeah, bye.
and that's the last 8 numbers of his social security number.
Oops. Alright, whatever.
What the heck was that?
Yours.
Look at Tommy's habitat. I see this is crumbs. What the heck?
How did I not spill any crumbs? It's a challenge.
Last one.
I'm an extremely slow eater. This is my desktop,
Yeah.
and this is my cross over here. Jesus Christ.
This is where we make our prank calls to ourselves.
No.
Oh. Bye. Good, call me.
Alright. No, my crumbs. Or whatever this
Oh my god, we're so bad.
Wait, watch this. Hello?
Hello? It's me.
Oh!
I was wondering if I could borrow a couple of dollars, please. My name is
You're right to the max. Wait, I'm trying to figure out.
My name is skinnylegs@gmail.com. Oh!
Never do that again. Here you go. I did that before, but I never did it like that loud before I hung up. Alright. 0 crumbs must be spilled.
Don't think these are crumbs. These are not crumbs. These are bites. See that? That's a crumb, but that wasn't
I
on
turned the
there.
brightness all the way up. You guys can see this. Well, better quality for better brightness. Genius.
ASMR here. Back of another video. I realized I was talking to a speaker.
There's a picture of me.
Yeah, that's when he was rejected at his prom. Dun dun dun.
Well, yeah, I don't know how my uncle made this, but he did. And he drew that.
Here, block your habitat poster.
I don't know. I used to have a bunch of Pokemon pictures over there.
Is that why the?
Oh yeah, I have some deodorant. Psst.
Is this your Fortnite? Look, guys, this is Fortnite. Guys, look at this Fortnite.
This is my hamper. Complete darkness.
These
Wait, hold on, watch this. Oh!
Look at Toby in his habitat. We wouldn't want to bother him.
Get out of me. Get out. Wait, where's the door?
Well, this is no door. This is a soft trap.
What? Oh, there's the door. Bye, guys. Alright, let's just continue the challenge. We didn't make this.
You didn't finish eating?
No. I'm a slow eater. How do I get out of here?
That's when Toby knew he was gone.
Well, I failed because I didn't eat it first. Oh yeah, by the way, there's another rule. Whoever finishes the thing first wins.
So I guess I won.
Yeah, you won.
So you have to watch. You have to watch me. So
So you have to watch me jump on the bed.
No, that's not fun.
Oh, you get to do it? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm too lazy to get up. Fine. Hold on. Wait. Oof. This is constipation in action.
Comment down. Go to my channel if you wanna hear some earring.
Yeah, his channel is Wally Wally T. So be sure to go subscribe to him. He's hilarious.
I'm not as good at jumper as I used to be. Come join me, fam.
Cannonball. I sleep here.
This is called a front flip 12.
Oh god.
Ready? You ready?
Yep. I can do that. I had the Lego Batman movie poster before it came out. This poster's old. Alright, we got this.
It's Batman. Mr. Lonely.
Self-destruct mode activated.
No. Alright, backflip time.
Minnie Mouse on fleek. No, I'm kidding. I don't even know why I have this. Why do I have this? Why do I have this?
In support of.
This thing will haunt your
Is
dreams.
this Missy Mouse or what's her name?
It's Minnie Mouse.
Oh, I thought her name was
The
Missy
crush
Mouse.
of my dream. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Rush this backflip right now.
When you feel that life. Alright, this video's 11 minutes. It's gonna take forever to upload. So I guess we're gonna have to end it here if you jump a little bit. Watch me whip. You know, whenever I hear that song, this is what I think. When I hear Watch Me Whip, I'm just like, watch me whip, like. But when I see the dance, it's even worse. It's just like, now watch me whip. Watch me nay.
Do you know Old MacDonald? You're like, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm, he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. And then nay there, and then nay here, nay here, nay here. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Alright, so I guess that ends the video. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to punch that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel for more updates. And yeah, I want to see remakes of people doing this video, trying this challenge. I want this challenge to go viral. What are you doing? Bye. I want this challenge to go viral. So yeah.
I found a dead body.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Come look.
You're the dead body. No, I'm kidding. There's nothing here. There's just a bag and
What is
Back
here?
this is a rug. Ow! Lay my head on this. Right here. Well, wait, not right here. I mean right here.
Pizza Hut, I would like to make a complaint. Your serving size was too big. Yes, it did have bones. The hairy pizza was very messy. I couldn't fit in my...
I thought you ordered a boneless pizza.
Exactly. Ma'am? Ma'am? She didn't listen.
No.
Now
Alright, this is Pizza Hut. I just wanted to let you know your pizza sucks. Yeah. Bye. I'm the worst at making.
You wanna
pizza.
actually?
Alright,
You
I'm just
wanna
gonna end the video here. Bye. Wait, it's not. Stop.